So in this video, I'm going to configure the dynamic NAT for you. So in previous video, I've configured the static NAT. Let's do with the same topology. Let's take a 2911 router. And take some first for this lab. Take one switch for this side. One switch for this side. And one server for this side. So let's connect it with the switch. And then to the host. Now let's just add these NIC of serial. Let's connect the cables. Let's connect this device. Let's configure our LAN part first. Address, I'm going to take this. Serial, I'm going to take this IP address. So on this device, I'm going to configure one IP address. The neighboring device. Let's configure this server. Give it IP address of 170.0.0.2. The subnet mask we have defined. Let's see if we can ping our gateway. Yes, it is pinging fine from here. Let's configure these devices. Let's configure one more. Let's try to ping the gateway first. Yes, the ping is fine from here. Let's configure a default route to the set toward the ISP router. Let's configure the route to our 200 subnet that is allocated by our ISP. So ISP router setting has been done. Now let's configure our NAT. In static routing, we have configured a static mapping of the host. Now we need to configure the dynamic NAT. So first of all, we will select the interfaces. I'm going to translate for the outside and inside. So let's configure the pool. IP NAT pool. Name is stack. And the start IP address will be 200.03 to 200.254. Net mask would be 255 to 255.0. Now we need to create access list that will be bound to the dynamic NAT pool. Access list 1 permit and dot. These IP will be translated. So IP NAT site source list. Pool tech. So currently there is no translation. Let's check if our IP get translated. If we try to ping, yes, we are able to ping. Let's check our translation. It's working fine. Yes, so ICMP is the protocol and the inside global IP address is 203, which is of IP 10.0.0.2, and this is the outright local IP address. So let's ping from second router, second PC, sorry. So ping is there. So let's check from here if we can get the translation IP address, which IP it has got. So 200.0.0.3 IPs, because these IP address expires in a very few seconds. So this is the lab of dynamic NAT. Thanks for watching.